Hello everyone, this is lesson number 28, HSK 2, and we slowly move to the end of the second grade, second level. But we still have three more lessons. Let's see. Let's repeat quickly. 电影院 cinema. 晴 sunny, clear, 晴有意思 interesting, enjoyable, and have fun something. And 但是 however, but, yet, 但是 and see. The first one for today is 虽然 also even so also it has some different translations. Let's see. I think the most also is the good one, but we still have maybe okay. Let's see examples. It's a grammar point, and it's always, I think, mostly in the beginning of the sentence. Let's see. Also, it's raining. I still went. 虽然下雨，我还是去了。So you can see, 虽然 so it's raining, but not looking at rain. I still went. So it doesn't bother me anymore. 虽然下雨 also it's raining, 下雨 to rain. 我还是 I still nevertheless 我还是去了 went. So 虽然下雨，我还是去了 maybe while also so but while albeit albeit where is also. So you can see it's pretty obvious. Also he's very busy, he helps me. 虽然他很忙，但是帮我。虽然also 他很忙 also he has very busy he's very busy. 虽然他很忙，但是帮我 but helps me. 但是帮我 but still helps me. You can say 还是帮我，但是还帮我 also you can say 但还是帮我。Let's see. Also the weather is cold. I'm happy. 虽然天气冷，我很开心，开心 is happy. First, 开心。虽然 also 天气冷 the weather is cold. 虽然天气冷，我很开心，I'm very 开心 happy. Oh, just I'm happy. 我很开心. Sometimes 很 is working like I am with adjectives. But you cannot say 我是开心，我很开心。我很开心。You can say. Next one. Also, I'm tired. I still played. 虽然我很累 or just 累，虽然累，我还是玩了。我还是 I still 玩了。Or you can read it like 玩了 or 玩了。It's to play. 虽然累 I'm tired, but 我还是玩了。I still played. I think here's played maybe about football. Because sometimes war it's to have a fun time with something. So okay. Next one is 次. It's also a grammar point. Let's see. It's time, but a major word for action. For example, first time, second time, next time, previous time, like this one. I have been to the cinema twice. 我去电影院两次了。So 我去 I went. No, went because la in the end. So 我去电影院 as a cinema 两次，两 it's two for countable objects, not for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but for two pieces of something, 2 times 2 hours, something like 2 brothers. 两次了，两次 two times, so twice. I have been to the cinema 2 times, twice. Interesting. Twice is it's combined this word together 2 times. 我去电影院两次了，两次了。because 一次了 it's once, twice, but you cannot say first, fourth, fifth. 我去电影院两次了，两次 two times. Sometimes 我去了电影院两次 but 我去电影院两次了 I think 了 could be after two. 我去了电影院两次 but I still this also could be. Next one, he watches a movie 3 times. 他看了3次电影 so you can say or you can also say 他看3次电影了also could be. 他看了 he watched 3次 3 times 电影 movie, so he watched the movie 3 times. 他看了3次电影3个字2次 Okay, next one, I played the game 5 times. 我玩游戏5次5次我玩 I played 游戏5次 5 times. Games, it's 游戏 is a game. You can say I played the game 5 times, but here we cannot say we cannot say 了我玩了游戏5次 so sometimes it could be omitted, I think. Next one, she tried once and was very happy. 她试了一次很开心试 it's to try something, to test something. We can because you can say you can buy new clothes for your friend and say 试试了试试 like taste, try it. Or you can for food it's another one, I think. It could be for action, for example, kick a football ball, kick this ball, and you can say 试试 or your friend can say I can speak English, and you can say I can speak Chinese. You can 试试 you can try 试一下or 试一试 also could be. I think 试试 is not a good one. 试一下他试了一次 he tried once one time 一次很开心 very happy 他试了一次很开心 Next one is 玩 to play, to amuse oneself. Could be also one or war. War is more popular, I think. Chinese North accent, North dialect, you can say. I play happily in the park. 我在公园玩得很开心。公园 park. 我在公园 at the park. Well, I'm at the park. 玩 I played. But I played how? You can say I played happily. So we need the because 很开心 is happy. We need to make a verb. So 玩得很开心 I played very happily. 我在公园里我在公园玩得很开心 Sometimes it could be 我在公园里 or something 里 because if it's you can be inside of this place because for under the roof, I think, because in the office, in the building, but public park it's usually under the skies, so you can say just say 我在公园 Next one, he likes playing with his phone. 他喜欢玩手机 手机 cell phone. So 他喜欢 he likes 玩手机 to play with his phone. It's pretty simple. Next one, let's play together. Okay. And don't remember this bar for suggestion. 我们一起玩吧。我们一起玩吧。For example, you have a nice board game and you can take it and say your friend, 我们一起玩吧。Can we play together or let's play together? 我们一起玩吧。Or your friend play by yourself and you can join. 我们一起玩吧。可以吗？一起玩吧。Next one. Also, I'm busy. I still played. Oh, we already saw this sentence. 虽然忙哦，虽然我很忙，also could be 我还是玩了，I still played. 我还是玩了。I think it's I think it's in a bad situation. For example, I was 虽然忙also I busy, but I still wanted to play some maybe video games. 我还是玩了。Next one, it's by. Our last word for today, by. It's 100. Still very similar to by sub the by, the white color, but white color don't have this top line, horizontal line, only this one. By it's 100. Let's see. I have 300 yuan. 我有300块钱。It's free and 块钱 it's yuan money. It's for colloquial speech for we speak in life because yuan it's more official. It's like currency, but 块钱 it's like bucks, $300, like something $300, or you can say 300 American dollars. It's more official. So 块 is like a piece, and 钱 it's money, so piece of money or yuan. Sometimes it could be omitted just for 块。我有300块钱。I have 300 块钱 piece of money. 块钱 I have 300 yuan. Next one, yuan because it's for okay, of course it's China. So the cinema has 500 seats. 电影院有500个座位。It's a new word for us. 5 it's a 5 and 座位 it's a seat. 座 it's to sit. No, 座 it's without this top. 座 it's a place, I think. City, town, search. It's a major word for something, but also stand. You can see bridge. It has a lot of variation, but way it's something position. Bit, place, position. So together that's you can say place for sitting. So way. Sitting, table, place, chair, reservations. So or even from. 电影院 cinema 有5个500个has a 500 not what 500个座位500个座位怎么写错？电影院有500个座位。Sometimes it could be 500座位500个座位。I think we still need this 个 for measure word. Next one, he ran. He ran 100 meters. 他跑了100米。他跑了 to run, so 跑了 it's to run. 他跑了100米100 米 it's a meter. It's because of course mi it's rice, but here it's just for pronunciation. They take this for meters. 米。他跑了100米100 meters. 100 meters. I think it's from some song. This book is 200 yuan. Very expensive. 这本书200块，很贵。这本书，this book 200块，200元块200块，200 元，很贵，very expensive，很贵，very expensive。这本书200块，很贵。So that's all for today. Let's repeat words from this lesson. Of course, it's not a big lesson, but still, every step is a step. 虽然 also, even so. 次 time, for example, next time, previous time, 2 times. 两个字，下个字。玩 to play, to amuse oneself. It could be not to play, it could be just to have fun with something. 玩手机, it could be play phone, but also could be to spend time with a phone. And buy it's 100, 100, 200, 300 bucks, dollars. So that's all for today. See you in the next lesson, and